Hey my good people, welcome back to another video. Real short, real sweet, and very disappointing. So yesterday I started the car and we discovered we were leaking oil everywhere, and that is a culprit. Apparently there's a 3 O-ring seal that goes to this and the gasket in the back. It was just pissing oil everywhere. At least we know we got oil pressure. That's good. And along with that, still waiting on that board to get repaired so we can get lights in the dash cluster. The car cranks on its own, runs on its own, but we're shooting oil everywhere. And just I'll let you guys know. We got the muffler installed, so I need to go ahead and order 3-inch piping after we do get the turbo hooked up, coming from the front all the way back. Along with that, show you guys the G35. Take a good look at the wheels. All right, just want to show you guys what I was doing in between time, so I'm not just sitting idle. All right.
Oh shit, thanks. Hell yeah. Another package. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone today.
About this package. Let's see. Got here oil filter adapter gasket, and you take it off. Let me see if it actually has O-rings. I have the O-ring. So now, you ain't gonna believe this, bro. What? Took it out. Guess what was missing? No ring. No gasket. Alright, so we got the oil filter adapter back in. Has a gasket in it. Wish I could show you evidence, but yeah, it's it. Clutch is in. We had to put in a new master cylinder, but it is bled. We are good to go. With clutch, we got movement like a slave, like a good inch out, so we are good there also. Filter adapter is fixed all the way. Hey, catch y'all in the next video. Appreciate y'all watching as always, and stick around for Friday's video.